Yeah, I hope you know the way back.
You've been leaving little ties on the trees, right?
You've probably been leaving oil after that rock we just came through. Oh my God! That's deep. Don't go that way. Oh. Holy crap.
Yeah, you wanted to be on top of the ridge.
Well, there's my ridge. Good Lord. Wow. Hey, you still got air in your tires?
Looks like it.
Still got oil in your motor?
Well, I probably didn't when I started.
Okay, great. Do we keep going?
I don't know, man. I guess.
Where are we? I don't know about dropping down some of this.
We need to just call the gas companies and be like, hey, can we just get a map of your like access roads?
Yeah.
I guess I'll go down this and see where it goes.
All right. Y'all know when you get to the bottom.
All right.
I don't know about that gas line coming back up.
What do you mean?
Oh, nothing. We're good.
It's looking pretty tame so far.
Tame? Okay. Good?
So far, yep. Yeah, it's pretty easy stuff.
Right.
It's dry too, actually.
I just led us up the wildest uphill, but I'm scared on this little small town with you.
Yeah, that uphill was sketch. And now we're going back up already.
Whoa, 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 but you said this was tame. There's an 8-foot gas pole the whole way. Why did my GoPro off?
And we are back up to more forks in the road.
Forks in the road, huh?
Where are you at? You're breaking up.
What?
What were you doing? Look like you're racing the Baja 500 coming at me with all those lights. Yeah, there's been some riding going on out here.
Yeah, where are we going now? Left?
I guess.
Looks like that's the way we should go, right?
If we keep going left, we gotta at least make a circle or end up somewhere, right?
I mean, that's what I was hoping for. Looking at some of these power lines, I really don't know. As long as you can get us back, we're good. I'll keep going.
Yep, we pop out on the road and I'll get us back, as long as I have phone service.
Okay. I'm probably staring at a map that has like no service. Okay, this is pretty wet right here too, looks like. Ugh. The gas line. We went from power lines to gas line. Okay, here we go.
Oh, nice little downhill. Lusk said that like all he does is climb this stuff during his workday.
Who does?
Tyler Lusk.
Oh, really?
Yeah, getting up to the different telecom towers and stations.
Yeah.
Says he's either four-wheeling in a truck or a side-by-side all day.
Cool. Yeah, sure, we're going this way. Carrying part of a tree with me in my front porch.
Yeah, dude, we're on top of a mountain.
Holy crap, dude. We need a picture of that.
That's sick. Whoa.
Whoa, whoa.
I was looking at it.
I was turning.
Whoa.
Whoa. That's awesome. Look at that, dude. Look how far up we are. Sick.
bike doesn't fall over.
I wonder what this is called. Like, what do they call this? And, oh, man. We are up here, dude. I bet we're a long ways from the road.
Yeah, you probably have service. Can you, like, geolocate exactly
like,
where we are?
Like, why does it show a road then right here?
Because there probably is a road, like, right down over the side of the mountain or something.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I unzipped the vents on my pack and on my jacket, and it's way better.
Oh, good.
Oh, good. That's a cool downhill.
What are we doing? One left? Yeah, sure. Okay.
Straight didn't look very good.
Okay, that's what I was thinking. Dropping some elevation.
The GPS metrics seem to work pretty good on this 10, so I'll GPS our whole trip and put it on the video. Probably look pretty cool. Getting a little wild. Yep, there was a couple places if I wanted to stop back there, I couldn't have. I don't know if I can go back up that.
I don't think I can. Man.
Hopefully we won't have to. I wonder if this will bring us out the way we saw the styrofoam and stuff. That'd be cool.
Down?
Oh, I guess, dude.
Dude, I don't know about this.
What do you mean?
If we get down here and got to come back up that, we're hurting. I can't even stop.
Oh.
Take it easy. That is rough. Dude, I'm just praying that it's going to stop somewhere. I don't know that the old XR is going back up that.
This has got to take us. Yeah, right there it is. Take a left.
What?
Takes us right back.
Left?
Yeah, that's where the cooler is sitting.
Oh.
Perfect.
Oh, thank God.
You've never been so happy to see a toilet plunger thing.
Thank you, toilet flusher. Yeah.
Toilet float.
Woo.
All right, so we got some more exploring we can do up here one day.
Oh, bro, that was wild.
That was sick.
That downhill. Holy crap. I literally couldn't. I was in first gear and like letting the clutch out and couldn't stop.
Same. I was hoping you didn't have trouble because I would have hit you.
Wow. That was sketch.
Yeah, that was sick.
Such a wild little quarter.
Yeah, now imagine if I was, you know, if I or both of us were on 690s or something with a little more capability.
The African twin.
No. 700-pound top-heavy cruise ship.
Dude, I'd be so dead back there right now.
The Versus probably would have handled it.
Yeah, you're probably right. I mean, we did just drop like 2,000 feet elevation.
Yup.
In about 1 minute.
I haven't touched my throttle in like 5 minutes. This thing's so quiet you can't even tell it's still running.
I'm gonna shut mine off. We got something coming up the hill here.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Probably bow hunters.
Yeah, probably. How you guys doing?
What's up, guys? No, they didn't at all.
Think maybe it's their property or something? I don't think so.
No way, it's nobody's property.
Yeah, it's just down. They're just
Yeah,
bad. We're
I mean,
scared.
it might be somebody's property on either side of it,
Yeah,
but the road itself is definitely nobody's property.
they're just mad. We're scared deer,
Oh yeah.
bears.
Like, I paid $20,000 for this Kawasaki TRX,
Yeah.
and yeah, hunting club. That's why that hunting club sticker.
Oh,
I bet that's all like flea stuff there.
think so?
I'm sure.